This is my original image of Lionel Messi in a Barcelona jersey. And here is my target image of Cristiano Ronaldo in a Real Madrid jersey. Now here is my final result. Higgsfield FaceSwap is changing everything you thought you knew about AI visuals. Imagine stepping into any photo, movie frame, or digital artwork and seeing yourself there, perfectly blended, as if it were always you. This is not another deepfake gimmick or messy Photoshop attempt. Unlike Nano Banana, which often destroys the original texture and atmosphere, Higgsfield FaceSwap preserves every detail. The lighting, the grain, the emotion, while flawlessly integrating your face. With just one photo of you and one target image, it delivers a cinematic swap in seconds. No complex setup, no endless edits, just instant perfection. The kind of realism that once took experts days to achieve now happens in one click. If you're ready to see what true AI magic looks like, hit the like button, subscribe to AI Pipeline, and let's dive in to test how real Higgsfield FaceSwap can get. To begin, click the link in the video description. It will take you straight to the Higgsfield website. Sign up for a free account to get instant access and start testing this powerful feature. Once you're logged in, head over to the homepage or Apps section. Then select FaceSwap from the collection of incredible AI tools available on Higgsfield. Now, let me show you exactly how I flawlessly swapped the face of Lionel Messi with Cristiano Ronaldo using Higgsfield FaceSwap. I already have both images saved on my computer, so let's begin the process. For the source image, I'll start by clicking on the Upload button right here. This opens my local drive, where I'll select the photo of Lionel Messi wearing his Barcelona jersey and then upload it into the workspace. Once that's done, I'll move to the next step, which is uploading the target image. I'll click the Upload button again and choose the picture of Cristiano Ronaldo in his Real Madrid jersey. Now that both images are uploaded, you can clearly see the setup on the screen. Messi is my source image, while Ronaldo is my target image. On the left side, we have the source, and on the right, the target. Everything looks perfectly aligned, and the interface makes it easy to follow along. There's nothing complicated here. All that's left to do is click the Face Swap for Free button and watch as Higgsfield FaceSwap creates a seamless transformation in just a few seconds. The result is unbelievable, right? This is exactly how modern content creators are multiplying their income and scaling their creativity. With Higgsfield FaceSwap, a single person can generate endless aesthetics, characters, and visual styles in just seconds. You can recreate entire photo shoots, switch identities, or match any vibe you want, all without hiring models or setting up expensive studio sessions. The creative possibilities are limitless, and once you start experimenting, you'll realize how powerful this tool truly is. Now let's try something a bit more fun and cinematic. This time, I'll be using Higgsfield Seedream 4.0, which is one of their most advanced image generation models. I want to create a close-up, emotionally charged image of a World War II soldier on the battlefield, his face covered in dirt and bruises, eyes downcast as he looks directly into the lens. As you can see, I've entered my detailed prompt in the prompt field, selected the Seedream 4.0 model from the list, adjusted the aspect ratio to match the cinematic framing I want, and finally clicked Generate. In just a few seconds, it processes everything and produces a scene that looks like it was taken straight from a war movie. Now let's go ahead and download the image we just created. Once it's saved, I'll return to Higgsfield FaceSwap to take things to the next level. For the source image, I'll select the face of Cristiano Ronaldo. And for the target image, I'll use the cinematic war photo I just generated with Higgsfield Seedream 4.0. With both images ready, all I need to do is click FaceSwap for Free and let the AI do its work. In just moments, the transformation appears. and it looks absolutely incredible. The level of detail is unreal. It's as if Cristiano himself were standing on a World War II battlefield, with the same grit, lighting, and emotional depth. The results are nothing short of cinematic perfection. We can take things even further from here. If you want to enhance the overall clarity and sharpness, you can upscale the image to boost its quality instantly. You can also choose to animate it, turning the still photo into a dynamic, engaging video that feels alive and cinematic. Or, if you're happy with how it looks, you can simply download it directly to your device and start using it right away. Higgsfield makes it incredibly flexible, letting you decide how far you want to push your creativity. Now, let's take this image to the next level by upscaling it. Simply select the scale factor of your choice and click Upscale. Within seconds, the image is enhanced to a much sharper and higher quality version, perfect for professional use or cinematic edits. Next, let's animate the image. Click on the Animate button. Then, in the prompt field, describe exactly what you want to bring to life. For example, the direction of movement, mood, or emotion. After that, choose your preferred video generation model. Set the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio, then click Generate. In just a few seconds, your still image transforms into a fully animated, realistic video powered by Higgsfield's AI technology. Let's preview it. The video looks good, right? Now, let's try one more face swap to really see how powerful this tool can be. This time, I'll use Lionel Messi as my source image and Arnold Schwarzenegger as my target image. Once both images are uploaded and everything is properly set, I'll click on Face Swap for free and let Higgsfield FaceSwap handle the rest. In just a few seconds, the result appears, and it's incredibly smooth and lifelike. The facial blending is perfect, the lighting and skin tone match beautifully, and there's absolutely no distortion or awkward edges. It genuinely looks like a professionally composited photo, yet it took only a single click. And that's it for today's tutorial. As you've just seen, Higgsfield FaceSwap makes what used to be complicated look effortless. From swapping faces with perfect realism to upscaling and animating your results, everything happens in seconds. RIP to everyone who spent months learning LoRA training and collecting thousands of training images. With Higgsfield FaceSwap, one photo, one click, done. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to AI Pipeline, and share this video with a friend who needs to see how far AI visuals have come. I'll see you in the next one.